You're listening to Rebecca Maschke from IQPC, and I'm speaking today with Dr. Kai Koppers from Trelleborg Automotive Kalmar, and we're speaking about automotive braking. Good morning, Kai.
Good morning.
What are effective measures to reduce brake squeal in modern passenger cars' disc brakes?
The normal way to reduce this is to decouple the brake pad from the rest of the system. The brake squeal occurs by micro slipsticks effect between the brake pad and the brake disc, which leads to vibrations that transfer from the brake pad to the rest of the system. That means over the axles to even the body of the car. And there is two effective measures. One is to decouple the brake pad from the rest of the system, or if that is not desired or not possible, to dampen the occurring vibrations, and that is normally done by parts that are called shims. That is normally rubber to metal vulcanizates, and they are placed between the backside of the brake pad and the